Good morning, my beautiful students. How are you? I hope you are fine and safe in your home. Okay, this week we will continue where we stopped last week. Last week we took the first lesson in Unit 6, which was about pollution. This week we will take air pollution and water pollution. Okay, the first thing I want you to do is to open your student book, page 104. Okay, open page 104 in the student's book, page 104. Okay, then write today's date. Okay, 22/3/2020. Okay, open page 104 and write today's date. First, let's revise the meaning of pollution. Okay, we said that pollution is what? The addition of harmful or unpleasant substances to air, land, or water. So we have air pollution, we have land pollution, and water pollution. Okay? Okay, this lesson we will talk about the air pollution. Okay? First, let's see. We all know the meaning of air. Air is what we breathe. Okay, so air pollution, when these substances that we talked about here, the harmful or unpleasant substances, are added into the air, we have air pollution. Okay, this air pollution harm the living things. The living things should breathe clean and pure air. When these chemicals and harmful substances added into the air, it will be unclean and harmful. Now, let's see the sources of air pollution. Okay, think now with me, this pollution or these substances that came into the air came from what? Okay, now here we have two types of air pollution. Pollution that is indoor and pollution that is outdoor. Indoor means inside a house or inside a place, a closed place. Okay? Think now in your home, what do you have things around you that might pollute the air? Let's see examples. For example, smoking. Smoking pollutes the air. Paints. We have also heating appliances. They produce toxic substances into the air. And stove. You can think about more examples around you. Then we have outdoor pollution. Okay, outdoor in the street. When you go out in the street, when you walk into any place, you might see something that pollutes the air. For example, we have factories. See, this is factory. They produce smoke into the air. This smoke pollutes the air. Here, the vehicles, the cars, the smoke that came out of the vehicles cause air pollution. We have oil, refinery, factories. They also produce air pollution. Here we have construction. Also, they affect the purity of the air. Now, after seeing the indoor and outdoor pollution sources, let's see the negative effects of air pollution. Open page 106 and read the examples of the negative effects of air pollution. What can air pollution do? How they affect us? First, look at the picture. What can you see here? Eye irritation. Also, they affect the respiratory system. It makes problems in the respiratory system. See here the lungs, okay? It is affected by air pollution, okay? Which also might lead to lung cancer and other health problems. Now, think about ways of decreasing air pollution after seeing how they affect our health and the sources of air pollution, the ways of decreasing air pollution. We can decrease the air pollution by using filters by factories that produce chemical substances and harmful substances. They can use what? Filter to lessen the harmful gases sent out into the air by these factories. Also, maintaining vehicle engines, okay? People who have cars, they should maintain their vehicles engines, okay? So it will reduce the smoke that sent out of these cars into the air. Now, on page 108, mention 2 other ways of decreasing air pollution. Now, we said 2 examples. Think now about more how we can reduce the air pollution and write it down. Now, let's see the terms that came into this lesson. First, air pollution. We said that it is the chemical substances that are introduced into the air. Pollutants are the substances that make air, water, or land dirty. Smog, a thick and dirty fog. For example, in Tokyo or Los Angeles, there is a smog, which is a thick and dirty fog. Ozone layer, okay? Air pollution also affects the ozone layer, which is the layer that protects the planet Earth against the sun radiation. Now, when you finish, go to your workbook and do the homework, page 60 and 61.